Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel TDS News. I'm here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Ramvilas Paswan died after prolonged illness. Chirag wrote in his emotional post, "You are always with me." Union Minister and the founder of Lok Jan Shakti Party, Ramvilas Paswan, passed away. Ramvilas Paswan was ill for several days. LJP National President Chirag Paswan gave this information by tweeting. Chirag Paswan wrote an emotional post in his tweet, "Papa, you are no longer in this world, but I know you are always with me wherever you are." New recruited high school teachers went to Finance Minister and requested to save their jobs. On 8th October, high school teachers went to Finance Minister and requested to save their jobs. Finance Minister Rameshwar Rao said that they won't let them lose their jobs, and for that, government is going to Supreme Court. Process are almost completed. Driving license will be made from 16th October. The process of issuing learning and driving license will begin in the state from October 16. Transport Secretary R. Ravi Kumar has issued his directive on Tuesday. In his order, he has written that due to coronavirus crisis, the process of making license was postponed. In the view of changing circumstances, extension has been given in various areas under unlock from the central government and the state government. Good news for the passengers of Jharkhand, Bihar, Bengal and Delhi. Reservation started. It is a matter of relief for railway passengers. Havra Jamalpur Express and Malda Devi Farakka Express will run from October 12 via Sahibganj railway section. This will help the passengers of Jharkhand, Bihar and Bengal to travel. All reservation counters for passengers travelling on the train open from 8 am today. It is a matter of relief that no increase in ticket rate has been made. Chief Minister Hemant Soren's gift. Jharkhand will have a new identity in the field of sports. Hemant Soren government has taken commendable initiative towards the betterment of sports and sportspersons in Jharkhand. This is the first time the district sport officers has been appointed in all 24 districts of the state. CM Hemant Soren will hand over appointment letter to them in the project building at 4 pm today. No entry of outside tourists in Jharkhand government hotels due to corona infection. In the view of the possibility of infection of COVID-19, tourists coming from outside in the state have not been allowed to roam. Outside tourists will not be allowed to stay in the hotels of Jharkhand Tourist Development Authority. Tourists outside Jharkhand are not being given booking in the hotels or tourist complexes of the tourist department. Former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav to get bail. Jharkhand High Court will decide today. Former Chief Minister of Bihar and Rashtriya Janata Dal serving sentence in the bungalow of Director of Rajendra Institute of Medical Science Ranchi in several cases of folder scam. The bail plea of Supremo Lalu Prasad will be heard in the Jharkhand High Court on October 9, 2020. Temple open outside the containment zone in Jharkhand. Prayers performed. After the guidelines issued by the state government for opening religious places outside the containment zone, the doors of many small and big temples were opened from October. The patches of other temples including Gaghari Dham, Kam Waterfall, Baba Vankandi Dham, Galgali Baba Dham were partially opened on Thursday. People came and went more in Garghari Dham, Kam Waterfall. Two caught with a stolen bike. Two people were arrested and sent to jail by the Rato police with a stolen bike. These include Munna Munda and Shukra Rao, residents of Katitan. They said bike belongs to Avdesh Kumar, resident of Rani Bagh, which was stolen on 16 February 2020. In this regard, Avdesh has filed a case against Annu. On the basis of information, the police arrested the two with a bike. Government's reckless system killed Satrudhan Sinha's relative, Dr. Vijay Krishna Srivastav. BJP demands high-level inquiry. The Bharatiya Janata Party has demanded a high-level inquiry into the death of Dr. Vijay Krishna Srivastav, a relative of Bollywood actor and politician Satrudhan Sinha. serving at Deodhant Health Center under Podyat in Godda district in Jharkhand. The party said that Dr. Srivastav has been killed by the careless system of the government. COVID-19 updates. 32,092 samples were investigated in Jharkhand on Thursday and 2.44% has been found infected. A total of 784 new infections have been detected. More than half of these 480 infected have been found only from Ranchi and Jamshedpur. On the other hand, 25,38,755 people have been investigated in the Jharkhand so far, in which 90,486 have been infected so far. At the same time, 80,439 infected people have become healthy, 775 have died. The total active cases at this time are 9,272. At the same time, 8 corona patients have died on Thursday. 5 of them have died from Ranchi and each from Bokaro, Palamu and Ramgarh. Weather updates. The temperature in Ranchi will almost be 25 degrees Celsius and little foggy. Fuel prices. Petrol up to Rs 80.73 with a decrease of 0.16 and diesel up to Rs 74.58 with a decrease of 0.19. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.